What add 5 lenses camera system on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? So let's start the video. First of all, you will see this is 5 camera. So first camera lens is main camera lens. So help of capture picture. So second is ultra wide camera lens. So you will see clearness. So third is 3x camera. So this is fourth. So fourth is sensor of the 50 megapixel. So this is fifth camera. So fifth camera is auto sensor focus. So this is flashlight. So you will see this is 5 camera of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can what 5 lens camera system on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.